okay with it?
I'll take it out to the paper.
Mm.
And he needs to put my pencil away for what?
Down there. Your big pencil. I found your big pencil.
That's not my pencil.
Oh, it's Georgia.
I'll just find another thing. This will be a great.
Ooh, I'm gonna have lots to work on.
I'm gonna have a what?
We're gonna have lots to work. We're gonna be in here for a long time.
Yeah.
And Daddy won't believe it when he gets home. He'll be scared to death. Kyle, some of your cotton balls. Sure.
I put those there for ya.
1, 2, 3.
She set that there. So much to do with my writing paper. I got it hanging up on the wall. But it just won't stay. My picture I drew for my little girl, it won't stay on the wall. I might need to sit down and draw.
Whoa. I'm going to have to start putting mine down here. And this is my bag to put mine in.
He's just writing. Writing a note for mommies and daddies.
Oh, that's your pencil.
He wants this big.
It's Ghostbusters.